In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report an eBay seller if you've encountered an issue with a purchase or seller interaction. Reporting a seller can help maintain the integrity and quality of the eBay community by flagging behavior that may violate policies. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and head to eBay's website by typing ebay.com into the address bar. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Logging in ensures that you're able to access all the features necessary to report an issue. Now you need to locate the item that you wish to report. This could be from your recent purchases or any item that you currently have concerns about. Simply search for the item in question by entering its name in the search bar or navigate to your purchase history to find it more quickly. Once you've found the item, click on it to go to the listing page. Here you'll see various details about the product, including price, description, and seller information. The next step involves focusing on the seller themselves. Directly beneath the seller's name, located just below the product title, there is an option saying Contact Seller. Click on it to proceed. At this point, you'll be directed to the message interface where you can interact with the seller. But if your intention is to report them, you'd want to take a different action. You'll need to click on the Contact Seller button again once you're on this interface. This repetitive step may seem a bit odd, but it's crucial for accessing the specific options we need. Now look for a three dots icon, usually situated at the top or side of your screen. Clicking on these three dots will present a drop-down menu with further options. From this menu, select Report Message. This choice is essential as it allows you to officially flag any issues or misconduct associated with the seller. After selecting Report Message, you'll be taken to a form where you need to specify the reason you're reporting the seller. There should be several options available, ranging from fraudulent activity to inappropriate messaging. Carefully choose the reason that best describes your situation. Providing accurate details here not only helps the eBay support team understand your case, but also accelerates the resolution process. Finally, once you've selected the appropriate reason for reporting, hit the Send button to submit your report. eBay's trust and safety team will review the details and take necessary actions if there is a breach of their policies. That covers all the steps you need to follow to report a seller on eBay effectively. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, ensuring that your eBay experience remains safe and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides.